Learning objectives. In this lesson, you would be learning about cyber forensics tools and utilities and the following in detail. Introduction, cyber forensic tools, tool review, coroner's toolkits, NCase forensic, I2 analyst notebook, LogLogic's LX2000, Mandiant first response, NetWitness, ProDiscover incident reconnaissance sleuth kit and autopsy browser, additional tools for the investigators, SafeBack, GetTime, File List, File Convert, GetFree, Swap Files, Temporary Files. Frameworks. The tool will offer some standard approaches for ingesting data. It also offers procedures for analyzing it and reporting any findings, so developers can follow the same design patterns when possible. Ease of use. The autopsy browser must offer the results and historical tools. It will make the job easier for users to repeat their steps without excessive reconfiguration. Fast. Autopsy runs background tasks. It does it in parallel using multiple cores and provides results. It may take hours to search the drive, but you will know it in minutes. Cost effective. Autopsy is free of cost. The cost-effective digital forensic solutions are essential. Autopsy offers the same core features as other digital forensic tools and offers. Other commercial tools do not provide. Example, web artifact analysis and registry analysis. Analysis modes. There are two analysis modes, dead analysis, live analysis. Dead analysis. The dead analysis occurs when a dedicated analysis system is used to examine the data. It does the job from a suspect system. Autopsy and the sleuth kit are run in a trusted environment, typically in a lab. Autopsy and TSK support RAW, expert witness and AFF file formats. Live analysis. A live analysis occurs when the suspect system is being analyzed while it is running. Autopsy and the sleuth kit are run from a CD in untrusted environment. After it is confirmed, the system can be acquired and dead analysis is performed. Introduction to cyber forensics tool. Types of forensics tools. There are two types of forensics tools. They are disk imaging software tools and software or hardware write tools, hashing tools and primary tools. Primary forensic tools. Primary forensic tools are classified into the following types. This encases from guidance software primary tool. When encase falls, FTK is the second choice. X-Ways software technology is another type of tool. DFF, Digital Forensic Framework. It can be used in Linux. Live forensics. To make simple live forensic, Linux from forensic distros. Helix from eFenceKane from kanelive.net. fresponse from fresponse.com. FIM tools from system internals. GradeFree from live forensics. LiveView from sourceforge.net. Application which can be used as live forensic and booting linen. Mobile devices. This includes not only mobile phones but also PDA, iPod, video cameras, photo cameras, MP3 players, etc. XRY and exact form are very good, but they are very expensive. Device seizure from Parable Nice for PDA examination. Data recovery. Advanced recovery needs electronic and mechanical parts replacement. PC3000 from ACE Laboratory HDD and SSD diagnostics are processed through password resetting. RStudio is the first tool to recover any remaining data. Foremost from foremostsearchforge.net. CD and DVD inspector from Infinite CD-DVD examination. Data erasing. Standard file erasing keeps data intact. The first rule is Tough in forensic classes. Data wiping is the one of the solution. Dban from www.dban.org is the easiest way to wipe HDD. Eraser from eraser.id.ie simple Windows app is also used for erasing data. Password recovery. The password recovery toolkit is obtained from accessdata.com and tools is derived from lcomsoft.com. Search technique. The following are search techniques: file listing, file content, hash databases, file type sorting, timeline of file activity, keyword search, metadata analysis, data unit analysis, image details. File listing. File listing is defined as analyze. The files and directories are part of analyze. It includes the names of deleted files and files with Unicode-based names. File content. File content is the contents of the file. It can be viewed in raw, hex, or the ASCII strings can be extracted. When data is interpreted, Autopsy sanitizes it to prevent damage. Therefore, the local analysis system is protected. Autopsy does not use any client-side scripting languages. Hash database. Look up unknown files in a hash database. This will help you to quickly identify it as good and bad. Autopsy uses the NIST, National Software Reference Library. User-created databases known for good and bad files. File type sorting. It is based on their internal signatures to identify files of a known type. Autopsy can also extract only graphic images, including thumbnails. The extension of the file will also be compared to the file type. This will help to identify files that may have had their extension changed to hide them. File activity. In some cases, timeline of file activity can help identify areas of file system that may contain evidence. Autopsy can create timelines that can contain entries for the modified, access and change MAC times of both allocated and unallocated files. Keyword search. Keyword search of the file system image can be performed using ASCII strings and grep regular expressions. Searches can be performed on either the full file system image. An index file can be created for faster searches. Metadata analysis. Metadata structures contain the details about files and directories. Autopsy allows viewing the details of any metadata structure in the file system. Structures contain the details about the files and directories. Autopsy will search the directories to identify the full path of the file that has allocated the structure. Application. It is useful for recovering deleted content. Data unit analysis. Data units are where the file content is stored. Autopsy allows viewing the contents of any data unit in a variety of formats. It includes ASCII, hexdump, and strings. Autopsy will search the metadata structures to identify which has allocated the data units. The Coroner's Toolkit. The Coroner's Toolkit, or TCT, is a suite of computer security programs. It was discovered by Dan Farmer and Weist Venama. It is used to assist in digital forensic analysis. Installation of Coroner's Toolkit. Currently, the following operating systems are at least SEBI supported: FreeBSD 2.4, OpenBSD 2, BSD OS 2.4, Sun Operating System 4.5, Linux 2. EnCase Forensic. EnCase is a suite of digital forensic products by Guidance Software. The software comes in several forms. They are designed forensic, cyber security, and e-discovery uses. The company also offers EnCase training and certification.
Product line of Encase. Encase technology is available within a number of products. It currently includes Encase Forensic, Encase Cybersecurity, Encase eDiscovery, and Encase Portable. Guidance software also runs training courses and certification. Features of Encase Forensic. Encase contains tools for several areas of the digital forensic process. It has tools for acquisition, analysis, and reporting. It also includes a scripting facility called Encrypt with various APIs. Encase Evidence File Format. Encase contains functionality to create forensic images of suspect media. Images are stored in proprietary Encase Evidence File Format. The compressible file format is prefixed with case data information. It consists of a bit by bit, that is exact with CRC hashes for every 64K of data. The file format also appends an MD5 hash of the entire drive as footer. Analyst Notebook. Analyst Notebook is a software product. It was produced from I2 Limited and used for data analysis and investigation. It is a part of the Human Terrain System, US Army program which embeds social scientists with combat brigades. An investigation into fraud in the US Army are reported to have used Analyst Notebook capabilities. I2 Analyst Notebook. It offers a rich visual analysis designed to help analysts and their organizations. Large sets of disparate information into high quality intelligence to help many operations. They are aiding to identify, predict, and prevent criminal, terrorist, and fraudulent activities. Potential benefits of Analyst Notebook. Quickly identify patterns in data. Otherwise, they will get missed using single analytical approaches. Reduce the time to deliver rich, actionable intelligence. Increase the depth of intelligence, far more effective results. LogLogic's LX2000. LogLogic's LX2000 is an excellent log analysis tool. It is powerful and can be distributed. It is a mature and useful product, but it is not for the faint-hearted. While its user interface is excellent, it has many hidden capabilities. Features of log analysis tool. Displays are straightforward. One can perform a wide variety of analysis with relative ease. It is coupled with the ST3000 large-scale storage appliance. The LX2000 becomes an extremely powerful tool for managing. It is useful for analyzing and archiving huge amounts of data. Case management. Case management. Event sequencer, notes, image integrity, reports, logging, open design, and client-server model. Case management. Investigations are organized by cases. It can contain one or more hosts. Each host is configured to have its own time zone, setting, and clock skew. Each host can contain one or more file system images to analyze. Event sequencer. Time-based events can be added from file activity or IDs and firewall logs. Autopsy sorts the events so that the sequence of incident events can be more easily determined. Notes. Notes can be saved on a per host and per investigator basis. These allow you to make quick notes about files and structures. The original location can be easily recalled. All nodes are stored in an ASCII file. Image integrity. It is crucial to ensure that files are not modified during analysis. Autopsy by default will generate an MD5 value for all files that are imported or created. The integrity of any file that Autopsy uses can be validated at any time. Reports. Autopsy can create ASCII reports for files and other file system structures. This enables to quickly make consistent data sheets during the investigation. Logging. Audit logs are created on a case host and investigator level so that actions can be easily recalled. The exact sleuthkit commands that are executed are also logged. Open design. The code of Autopsy is open source and all files that it uses are in raw format. All configuration files are in ASCII text. This makes it easy to export the data and archive it.
It also does not restrict from using other tools that may solve the specific problem more appropriately. Client-server model. Autopsy is HTML based and therefore you do not have to be on the same system as the file system images. Client-server model. This allows multiple investigators to use the same server and connect from their personal systems.
NetWitness. NetWitness Corporation was a Reston, Virginia-based network security company. It provides real-time network forensics. It also provides automated threat analysis solutions. In 2011, NetWitness was acquired by EMC Corporation. NetWitness Discover.
NetWitness former CEO Amit Yoron was formerly the Director of Department of Homeland Security.
He was associated with National Cyber Security Division. NetWitness also employed Sean Carpenter. He is a notable security analyst and he has discovered Operation Titan Rain in 2005. Who is Mandiant? Mandiant are engineers, consultants, authors, instructors, and security experts. They had chased criminals who were attacking the Fortune 500, government contractors, and multinational banks. They responded to over 1 million compromised systems in over 60 organizations. They find evil and solve crime and through various products and services. NTAP service, network analysis. Identify activities in near real time, detect and collect known malicious network traffic, perform post-processing and decryption, describe attackers' activities and movements, determine intent and process of compromise. Autopsy. Autopsy is a user interface. It makes simpler to deploy many of the open source programs. It also can be used in plugins of the Sleuth Kit collection. Tool design principles. The tool should be extensible, frameworks, ease of use. Functionality. The user should be able to add new functionality by creating plugins. It can analyze all or part of the underlying data source.
Conclusion. Thus, we have learnt about cyber forensics tools and utilities and the following in detail. Introduction, cyber forensic tools, tool review, coroner's toolkits, NCase forensic, I2 analyst notebook, LogLogic's LX2000, Mandiant first response, NetWitness, ProDiscover Incident Renaissance Sleuth Kit, and Autopsy Browser, additional tools for the investigators, SafeBack, GetTime, File List, File Convert, Get Free, Swap Files, Temporary Files.